Hi guys, it's Jinjin here. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So magsasagot lang tayo guys ngayon ng difficult level age problem, no? So first question natin dito, the age of A, B, and C are in the ratio 2:3:5. If their total age is 80 years, how old is C? Okay, so madali lang to guys, no? Ratio problem siya. Yan. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito, since given naman yung total age nila, ayan, 80, i-divide mo lang sa sum ng ratio nila. Okay? So, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 10. Ayan. So, 80, divide natin siya sa 10, that is 8. Okay? So, at ratio at 1, 8 yung value niya. Okay? So, kapag 1 yung ratio, at ratio at 1, yan. So, let's say 1 silang tatlo. Yan. Each of them, guys, 8 sila. Okay? 8 yung value nila. Okay, so ang hinahanap kasi dito guys, how old is C? So si C guys, siya yung pangatlo dito sa ratio natin. Okay? Kung meron tayong ratio na 2, 3, 5, andito siya. Siya si C. Okay? Itong 3, siya si B. And si 2 naman, siya si A. Ayan. So may pagkakasunod-sunod. So ang gagawin natin para makuha natin yung age ni C, i-multiply lang natin siya sa ratio niya. Okay? So that is 5 times itong nakuha natin na 8. So 5 times 8 guys, that is 40. Ganun lang kadali guys. 'Di ba? So that is letter C. Okay, next problem tayo kasi dalawa yung problem natin na sasagutan natin. Yan. 5 years ago, John was twice as old as Peter. 10 years from now, John will be 10 years older than Peter. The sum of their present ages is 55. How old is Peter now? Okay. So, mapapansin nyo, dalawang tao lang to, no? So, mag-set na lang tayo ng variables. Madali lang to, guys. Ayan. X si John, Y si Peter. Ayan. So, 5 years ago, so pag sinabi nga ko, guys, that is in the past. So, aatras tayo ng 5. Okay? Or 5 years. So, mangyayari si John, guys, na variable X magiging X minus 5. Okay? And then sabi sa condition, John was twice as old as Peter. So, 2 times yung age ni Peter na Y, magma-minus 5 tayo. Okay? So, in terms dun sa past, itong ano natin, no? First equation natin. Ayan. So, first equation to. So, second condition, guys, tignan natin. 10 years from now naman. So, pag from now, guys, papunta naman to sa future. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin sa equation natin, gawin natin siya na future. Okay? In terms of future na. So, 10 years from now, ibig sabihin, magpa-plus 10 na tayo sa mga variables natin. Okay? So, si John na variable X, mag-plus 10 na tayo. Ayan. So, nasa condition guys, sabi dito, John will be 10 years older than Peter. Okay? So, kung si Peter na variable Y, na mag-plus 10 ka na rin, yan, mas matanda daw si John ng 10 years. So, another plus 10. Okay? Ayan, ito yung age ni Peter, papuntang future, 10 years from now. And then, since older si John ng 10 years, so mag-plus 10 ka lang. Okay? And then, yan. So, second, ano natin to? Second equation. And then, meron pa guys, no? Tatlo. The sum of their present ages is 55. So, since present ages naman na guys, so, ang gagamitin na natin variable is yung x and y na lang. Okay? Yan. So, x plus y is equal to 55. Ayan guys, tatlong equation. Napakarami. So, how old is Peter now? Si Peter guys, siya si variable y, di ba? So, ang kailangan nating makuha guys, yung value ni variable y. Okay? So, ayan. So, titingin tayo guys, no? Ng value ni x dito sa either first or second equation, and then ipa-plug in natin siya sa ating third equation. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, ito na lang, first equation. Ayusin lang natin to guys, no? So, kapag in-isolate natin yung first equation natin, in-isolate natin yung x, ang mangyayari, itong negative 5 na to, lilipat siya sa right side. Okay? So, mangyayari, 2 times y minus 5, and yung nilipat mo na negative 5, magiging positive 5. Ayan. So, ito na yung first equation natin na na-isolate ang x. Okay? And then, ipa-plug in na lang natin itong value ni x dito sa ating third equation. Okay? Andito. Yan. So, ang value ni x natin dyan, that is 2 times y minus 5 plus 5. Ayun, di ba? And then, may naiwan dito na plus y is equal to 55. Ayan. So, itong equation na natin na to guys is iisa na lang yung variable which is si variable y. So, madali na lang to, no? So, solve na lang natin. 2 times y, that is 2y. 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10. Plus tong mga to, plus 5 plus y is equal to 55. Ayan. And then, pagsamahin natin yung may mga variables, so iiwan na lang natin sila sa left side and yung mga constant natin, ilagay natin sa right side. Okay? So, 2y plus y, that is 3y. Yan. 55. And then, yung mga nilipat natin, negative to, magiging positive. And yung plus 5, magiging minus 5. Ayan. So, simplify na lang natin to guys. 55 plus 10, 65 minus 5, that is 60. Ayan. Then, divide both side by 3 guys para y na lang yung matira. Okay? 60 divided by 3, that is 20. Yan. So, letter B guys. Diba basic lang guys? Actually guys, kung mapapansin nyo, itong second equation, hindi natin siya nagamit. Diba? Kasi dalawang tao lang kasi yung given guys, yung tatlong equation na eh. So, hindi natin siya nagamit. But anyways guys, ganun lang mag-solve ng age problem, no? So, sinundan lang naman natin yung condition na nasa problem, ginawan natin siya ng equation, and then sinolve natin yung hinahanap. Okay? So, ganun lang guys, no? Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.